Hi, would you like to know how to scan documents on your iPhone without using third-party apps? Then don't forget to watch this video until the end because today we'll be doing document scan with the help of Notes application. So let's get started, and now we can, as a first step, of course, open the Notes app. Then here we would need to create a new note, which we can find at the bottom right corner. So by clicking on this button on your screen will appear a new note and also a keyboard. Here we would need to click on this done button so the keyboard won't distract us. And then as a next step, to find the option scan documents, we would need to click on this pin button at the bottom row. It's the second button at this button's row. So we would need to click on it, and here find this option which is named scan documents. It's the second one from the bottom. So we would need to click on this button, and here, as you can see at the right upper corner, we got text which is saying auto, which means that your phone will automatically do a photo of document without you need to touch this photo button. But if you would like to have a little bit more control, you can see that now my iPhone has just taken a photo of my table. I'll click retake and immediately switch from auto to manually by clicking on this auto button. Now, when we are in the manual mode, we need to simply take our document. Today I'll be using this little card from the iPhone's box and put it at the front of the camera. Now we wait a little bit until our iPhone will identify the document on the camera, and when you think that the photo will be perfect, click on this shutter button at the center of your phone. So when the photo is done, you'll be able to manually change the corners of the document. As you can see, this one is a little bit too high and it's not capturing the document. So I'll take it with my finger and pull it to the corner that is needed to be captured. Now, when we have a perfect square that I would like to save, I'll click on this button, keep scan, at the right bottom corner. And this is it. We have successfully done our scan. Now, to save it or send it anywhere, here we would need to click on this save button at the right bottom corner, and these scans will appear in our documents file. So here is it how it looks. Here is the scan that I'm looking for. Now, to send it out, we would need to simply send our note. So to do it, we would need to find the share button at the upper row. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to see really a lot of information that we can use. For example, you can simply copy it, you can mark it up, you can print it, or send to any application that you can find in this share row. You can even use AirDrop to share it as a PDF file. So for example, I'll click on the mail. And now, as a next step, I would need to simply choose where and to who send this PDF file. So let's go back, and this is it. Basically, now you know how to scan documents with the help of Notes app. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.